Yeah, bros. Yeah, I'm crying like a bitch because I just broke up with my girl. 4 years down the drain, but I just can't do it to myself. I'm looking at her for what she did to me, and I just gotta move on. That shit hurts bad breaking up with her because I've always loved her, but I just can't go back with somebody who cheated on me, who somebody else. All she said about, I don't know, bro. I know it's the past. It can't. I can't do it. I have to move on. I can't.
It's a painful sight, honestly. It's really painful because you can tell that this guy really loved his girl, and a lot of people have been through a situation like this. So it's it's sad, right? It's sad, but we are going to discuss, and I'm going to help you guys understand female nature and give you guys a sense of why you have to have the abundance mindset. Okay, so there's three things that you have to know about women, right? When you are in a committed relationship with a woman and she cheats on you, she has lost all the respect for you, right? All respect that she has for you has gone out the window, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing is, if you treat a woman like a celebrity, she will treat you like a fan. This is very important for you to understand. Thirdly, you have to remember, guys, it is just a turn, right? She is not yours. It is just your turn. You have to have this mindset. Keeping these three things in mind will help you understand women better. Okay? Because this guy in the video, he's a very successful guy. He's a successful Twitch streamer, has a YouTube channel. So he's getting his life together, and he has some money, right? But here's the thing. He doesn't understand that he is the prize. That is a misunderstanding. That is why he feels so hurt, right? Because he doesn't understand that the girl, his girlfriend that cheated on him, just played herself. But a lot of guys are in this situation because they do not understand that they are the prize. Because you have to remember, we as men, we have the burden of performance. A man has to provide success. He has to provide security. He has to provide protection and money, right? He has to provide the finances for his family, right? A lot of guys today have lost their way. Men today, I feel, have lost their way. You have to understand one thing. If you are a man that is leveling up on his grind, right? Pursuing his purpose and his mission in life, you are the prize. And any woman that wants to enjoy in your success, right? Because you are leaving a legacy for future generations. Any woman that wants to enjoy that needs to prove her worth. She needs to prove why she needs to be part of your success, right? She needs to prove to you why she should enjoy any part of your success. A lot of guys, they do not vet the women that they're dating. They just see, oh, she's hot, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous. I'm going to ignore all the red flags and I'm going to wife her up. And then later on, a couple of years later, they are in their car crying, right? Because in today's world, we have a world filled of entitled and unappreciative women. And you know whose fault that is? Men's fault. Because there are a lot of guys out there that are putting these women on a pedestal. And these women are now they are putting women that have a lot of red flags, have a lot of bad behaviors on pedestal. They're not vetting them, right? They're not vetting them. Guys, women have standards. Why can't we as men have standards as well? Right? Every woman that is asking for a commitment needs to be on a probation period, just like a job, right? She needs to be on a vetting period, a year and a half to 2 years, minimum, at least. At least. Because guys, I will tell you this. If you choose the wrong woman to commit to, she could F up your life badly, F it up horribly, right? And if you're giving women commitment just easily, they're not going to appreciate it. Anything that anyone gets, it doesn't matter who it is. If you get something freely and easily, you are not going to appreciate it. We only appreciate the things that we work hard to get. So if she wants commitment from you, she gotta put in the work. She gotta prove herself. You have to put her through her paces. You have to know what you're looking for in a woman, and if she doesn't measure up to that, you have to cut her out of your life. You have to remember, guys, a lot of women out here are community property, right? There are community property. There are only a few good women out there, and it is your job to actually vet women so you don't end up with the trash, right? So that you can get the best bang for your time spent, right? And that is why I always suggest that men have an abundance mindset. How can you get an abundance mindset? You need to be approaching more women. You need to work on your game. By the way, my email is in the description box. I am open for one-on-one coaching, right? I have a few spots left, so you want to hit me up really soon. Guys, you have to get this part of your life fixed so you don't end up with trash, right? A lot of women out there are not useful to you. They are useless, right? They're just good for a roll in the hay and one or two times, maybe date them for like 3 weeks here and there and just like move on. A lot of them are not good long time partners. They're not going to be good mothers, right? They're not going to be good girlfriends or wives. So you need to be able to have an abundance mindset. Have your game on point so you can date multiple women so you can vet them. I'm not saying that you need to go and be smashing all these girls here and there. Most guys don't like that, right? And that's fine. I'm not telling you to do that. But you need to improve your game in such a way that you can vet women, that you have enough options, that you don't have one itis for one woman and not able to see the red flags. So you're able to date more women and be able to vet each one. So if there are red flags, you can see them, right? Having the abundance mindset lets you see the code in the matrix. It lets you see the code through the lets you see the code in the matrix so that you can see past the bull. So you're not stuck with a horrible, horrible woman, right? Because like I said, if you date the wrong person, they can F up your life and you don't want that. Okay, guys, that is the video for today. If you haven't already, like I said, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, leave me a comment in the description box. Let me know what you think about the video of the guy crying, okay? And hit this video with a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.